Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from EPOS. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about our new update feature. So what do we mean by that? I'll log myself in, I'll show you now. So if I log in, go to Settings and Administration. You've now got obviously the Force Update, which you're all very much well aware of. You do get now pop-ups now when updates are now available straight away, so then you can actually see there's a new update available. If we click on this one now though, it now shows you this new screen. Now this new screen is now a bit more clearer basically of what we've actually been doing within the software and all the different versions as well that's been happening since we've implemented this new system. You can actually filter through this as well. So if I wanted to see, I just want to see all the new added features. If I click all these off, it then filters down all the new added features. And obviously you can see here, it's my current versions on this one, and there's obviously a newer version up here as well. I can click all them back on. So yeah, you can filter through, get rid of the ones you want to see, or you want to see obviously the only the fixed things. You can see the things that have been fixed within the software, etc. And obviously you can filter down through this section here as well, and jump straight to the actual area you want to go to. Now to update, you literally just press the update button here like so. Obviously a little pop-up box. Click on yes. This you can ignore. And all that will basically do, there's a 15-minute cycle running whilst you're doing this. So if it's doing anything in the background and anything like that, what it will basically say, this is what this is asking you to do is, do you want me to commence the update after I've finished what I'm doing in the background? I'll just click on yes. And then once it's finished doing what it's doing in the background, it'll then complete the update. And there you have it. There you go, nice little quick one there for you. Do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Check you out next time. See you now.